Hey guys, it's Ray Small Big, and today we're going to make
empanadas!
I'm going to start by peeling the potatoes. Make sure to cut them into tiny squares.
I'm going to cut the tomatoes.
I'm going to cut this onion into little squares.
Now I'm going to cut the bell pepper.
Last, we're going to cut the carrots, and then my mom's going to cook up beef for the stuffing. Cooking, I'm going to make the dough. We have our flour here, and I'm going to make a hole in the middle. And now we're going to put 5 scoops of butter. This is messy, so make sure to clean up after. I'm going to use my hand to make the paste. This part is super messy, as you can see. No! You're going to keep doing this until it's all ready. Then you're going to put saran wrap and put it in the fridge.
Now the dough ball's ready. Now I'm going to flatten it. If you can't get it big enough with a plate, you can always use a hand. Now I'm going to put it in the oven.
Here are empanadas.
Follow us for more recipes.